Hello, hello. What are y'all cooking today? What you cooking? What you cooking? We doing a little date night, and I'm gonna do some boiled corn. Already did my shrimps. I'm put some season on them. My husband do not like them boiled too much. I'm going to boil mine. I have some broccoli and vegetables here. I'm going to fry some fresh catfish. And I'm going to get it started. How y'all doing? The first thing I want to do is season up my shrimps. I'm going to put some of that Louisiana ball in them. That Cajun ball. I'll let that go. And my husband like his corn. So I'm going to go ahead and put that corn on. It's ready. Wow. Voila. Voila. Okay, I got that corn going. Stir it up. Boiled corn. My husband loves some boiled corn. I'll cover that up. Put some butter later. The broccoli. And the shrimps. Take my broccoli and put some cheese. Oh yeah, you gotta cheese it up. Cheese it up. Cheese it up. I put a little butter, non-salt butter in it. Carrots. Cooking. My shrimps. Put them to boil. Oh, date night gonna be on. Grease getting hot. For my shrimps. A little season. I'll put a little, lemon pepper. And what I like is also Tony Cesare. I like the sour cream onion. It's really good, you guys. Put that on some shrimps. Great taste. And this is what you call real cooking. Nothing fancy, just real life, real cooking. That's what I love to do. So I got the shrimps on. Broccoli looking good with cauliflower and carrots. Check on the corn. Corn looking good. Got the boiled shrimps. And now we have the shrimp on the stick. And yes, you guys, these are some shrimps on a stick. Look at them. They're on a stick. Shrimps on a stick. You could throw you some onion powder on them, whatever you want on them. And let it roll. But that's what we're doing. And I'm going to prepare my fish. And we're going to have a great night. And over here, my husband already did the margarita. Margarita ready. And this is what we do. Great margarita. I hope everyone's enjoying their night. Get together. Cook for your family. Love your family. Love your family. Only have one life. Enjoy it. We enjoy cooking, serving. We eat well. We sleep well. And it's all good. Giving God the blessings for the food that we eat. I always got to say thank God for the food we eat, because if it wasn't for God, the food wouldn't be here. And I appreciate life. And I'm very happy. Support Miss Teal. Let me go prepare my fish. Have a good evening.